What's up everyone, and here we go with another mechanical keyboard unboxing. For today's video, we're unboxing the Tezarre TK61ProS wireless mechanical keyboard. This is a keyboard that any gamer or people who want to have a nice PC setup that needs it. However, this is an unknown brand, kind of a new brand, and I believe it's a Chinese brand that it's new on Amazon, and it is very similar to another brand where I think they're exact same thing, where the logo is only different. I will show the other one at the end of the video too, and also want to talk about some disadvantages and advantages of this keyboard that you need to know, so stay tuned. But for now, let's talk about what's inside the package. So opening the package, we can see right away the TK61ProS wireless mechanical keyboard. Beside the keyboard itself, they included a keycap puller, a switch puller, a Type-C cable, a 2.4 GHz dongle, and a user manual. This is good that they included the keycap puller and the switch puller, but one thing that this keyboard is missing is the other switches to test out. Where the other brand, which is the exact same thing, they also included the other type of switches, including red, blue, and other colors, to test it out. Talking about the connectivity and power, we can clearly see that this keyboard comes with the built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery. The company claims that this keyboard battery can last up to 70 hours. However, this may vary by actual use based on my experience. So if you use it a lot, maybe you have to charge it in 20 hours, whereas if you don't use it a lot and you don't use the RGB effect on it, or you choose an RGB effect that it's not always on, then this keyboard may last up to 70 hours, which is very rare. And as I showed the box, we can see that you can connect this keyboard to your PC through a 2.4 GHz dongle that came with it. You also can connect it via Bluetooth, and you can connect it not only to your PC, but you can connect it also to your phone. And you have the Type-C cable to charge the keyboard, and also to connect it to your PC if you don't want to use the battery or the Bluetooth. Talking more about this keyboard, we can see that this keyboard is a 61 keys keyboard with durable double-shot PBT keycaps. The RGB looks really good, and it has 16.5 million color backlight. They also included an anti-ghosting technology in this keyboard. The keyboard comes with a pre-built software that you can download it online from their website, in which in the software you can remap the keys, edit the macros, create custom lighting, and also multimedia control. But the software is only Windows based, and Mac users are not able to use it. Another concern with the software of this keyboard is that if you install the software, you get a notification from Windows Defender that the software includes a virus. I don't know if the virus is real or it's just a mistake, so install it at your own risk. But from my own experience, I don't really need the software, and therefore I did not install it, because you can control all of the RGB effects from the keyboard that you can see right here, and all of the pre-built function keys that are inside the keyboard are useful for me, and I did not need it to remap the keys or edit the macros. And I also did not want to create custom lighting, as I can create my custom lighting in my other keyboards, including EVGA, which is a known brand, and it does not have any virus in it. Also, I can do that on my Razer keyboard or the other brands that I have. If you're interested in watching my Razer or EVGA mechanical keyboard unboxing, definitely check out my other videos. Moving on to the switches, I decided to go with the blue switches, which is tactical and have an operating force of 55 cm. They feel closest to the standard fully mechanical switch and have a very loud clicking noise. And they also have some trick to it in this keyboard, which I will tell you, but I want you to hear the sound first. So let's go ahead and see the sound test for this keyboard, and then I will tell you what's the trick that they included in this keyboard. As you heard the sound test, you saw that the sound of the switches are a little bit different. And previously I said this keyboard looks very similar to another keyboard, and the other keyboard that I mentioned was this one, the front one, which is the Punkstone one. And the Tezarre TK61, it's I believe exact same as the Punkstone one, but it is a little bit smaller. And the Punkstone one does not have Bluetooth or wireless dongle, and it's only wired. That's the only difference. But both of them have the same trick to it. And the trick is that this is not a normal mechanical keyboard where behind the switches there is 2 pins. This is the optical switch. So it's not a fully mechanical, and you can say this is a 60% mechanical keyboard because the keys are optical, which can be a disadvantage of this keyboard. And since the keys are optical, one advantage that you're getting is that the keyboard is waterproof and you don't have to worry if anything is spilled on it or if you make it wet or anything happens to it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Other than this, thank you so much for watching this video and have a great day.